You've got that pounding headache tension that just won't go away, even though you've tried everything. But have you tried this? Hi, I'm Dina and I help people over 40 move better, feel better, and breathe again. Just find a quiet place. You can do this in a chair, you can do this at work. It works for me every time, so I hope it will work for you. So find that comfortable space and position and let's get started. Let's close our eyes for a bit and just center in this space. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose. Inhale and exhale. Calm everything down. Inhale, exhale, and one more. And gently open your eyes. Place the two fingers in between your eyebrows. We will use the right thumb to block the right nostril and the ring finger to block the left. So first we start by blocking the right. Inhale through the left. Block left. Exhale through the right. Try to make this as calm as possible. Inhale through the right. Block right and exhale left. Inhale left for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale left. 4, 3, 2, 1. And one more set. Inhale left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let your hand fall on your knee and breathe through both nostrils. And exhale through the nose. Inhale. Exhale. And open your eyes if you've had them closed. We will do some gentle neck rolls to release any tension from the cervical area now. So start just rotating your head, chin to chest. Go all the way. Make this movement as slow as possible. And now switch sides, so or sense of the rotation. Don't forget to breathe. One more. And then slowly come back to center. And we're going to just nod the head like yes, but make this movement as wide as possible. Go all the way back and front. And now no, again as wide as possible. Feel the stretch on the side of your neck here. Stop at the center and let your right ear fall to the right shoulder. And you can tuck slightly your chin here and just feel what this does to the stretch on the left side of your neck. You can place the left fingers on the mat, extending the arm, and just notice, just explore with this movement, yeah? Find the tension spot into your neck, maybe, and see if you can make some space there. One more breath here. And then slowly come up. And let's go the other way. So now left ear to the left shoulder. Tuck your chin slightly. And just feel the stretch on the right side of your neck now. Maybe extend the right fingers onto the mat. And just notice what this does for your pose. Just explore. Two more breaths here. And then slowly come up. Now we're going to do some eagle arms to release any tension from the upper back. So extend first the arms and then place right hand under left and maybe bind at the palms as well. Lift your elbows as high as possible and just feel the stretch on the upper back of your body. Do not force. Just stay here for 3 more breaths, trying to lift your elbows as high as you can. And one more. And slowly extend your arms. And let's go the other way. So now left arm under right, bind at the palms, and then easy and in control lift your elbows. Inhale. Exhale. One side may be more flexible than the other, that's perfectly fine. Two more breaths here. And one more. Slowly release your arms, extend them, and place them on your knees or on your thighs if you're in a chair. And let's move through some cat-cows now in your chair in this seated position. So inhale, arch your spine, come up, open the chest as much as you can, chin is up. Exhale, round your spine, chin to chest. Slow and in control. Inhale, chin up. Exhale, round your spine. Inhale, chin up. Exhale, round, and two more rounds like this. Inhale up. Exhale, round. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale, round. Perfect. Now place the right palm onto the mat if you're seated, or on your knee if you're in a chair, and raise the left arm up, and let's side stretch here. Feel that stretch on the left side of your body. Maybe open the torso slightly up, gaze up if the neck feels okay with this. Two more breaths here. Do not force. One more. Slowly come up and let's go to the other way. Lift the right arm up, gaze to the palm, and just lean to the left. Feel that stretch. Try to maintain both sit bones on the surface, on the mat, on the chair beneath you. Very slowly come up, and we will do one more twist. So place the left palm on the right knee, right palm behind you. Inhale, extend your spine and slowly twist to the right. Gaze over the right shoulder and breathe here gently and slowly. One more breath. And then slowly come back to center and let's go the other way. One more breath. And then slowly come back to center, and maybe for a few moments and breaths close your eyes here. And just notice how your head feels. Is it more relaxed? Did you release the tension? How do you feel now as compared to the start of the practice? And then slowly open your eyes. If this helped your headache, let me know in the comments below. This works for me every time, and I wish it works for you as well. Have an amazing rest of the day. Thank you for choosing to practice with me today. Namaste.